hello and welcome back to my channel. I will be your host, Jennifer. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I would love it if you comment down below so that I can welcome you. I love hearing from you. And also, if you are returning and you have enjoyed the hauls, please comment down below so that I know to continue to make them. And where are your favorite places? Do you like Walmart over Target? Do you like Target over Walmart? Are you enjoying the Shein hauls? Is there another place you'd like me to try? Because I love trying all the things. So anyway, today I'm going to be focusing on Target $8 t-shirts. And I believe most of these shirts are $8 and $5. I do have a couple of pairs of shorts as well. So if you are interested in that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so this is my first outfit. Now, these are some bike shorts from my previous haul, but I wanted, since we're focusing on shirts, I wanted to pair it with this really pretty peachy orange shirt. And you guys know I've been into these like electric colors or neon colors, and this kind of fit the bill. It's not as bright, but it is like in between like an orange or a peach color, and I just thought it was so pretty I had to get it. And I think that it paired well with these bike shorts. Now the bike shorts are only $7 and they are from the brand Wild Fable. And then this top is from A New Day, and oh, I lied. This shirt's $12, but most of these shirts really are under, you know, 10 bucks. So this one was $12, still not too bad, from the brand A New Day. I just thought it was really cute. It is a little bit sheer. I'm not sure if you can tell in the camera, so just keep that in mind. You can't see anything through. I am wearing a nude colored bra, so it's fine. But what I really liked about this was the rolled up sleeves, and then I do like that it's nice, loose, and flowy. And I did tie it up here just because these shorts kind of accentuate the curves. But let me show you what that looks like when it's all loosened up. It's still very cute, very flowy, and very much affordable. This shirt you could even wear to work with a black pair of leggings and still look good. Alright, so enough about that. The first outfit that I want to share with you, let's go ahead and do the shorts first. Now, I thought these were really cute shorts. I am going to try and put a clip of the Walmart version of this, but these shorts are from Universal Thread. So we got Universal Thread there, and how much were these? Okay, these were $19.99. And let me see. And then this is a crop top shirt that I did wear in my previous bike short haul for Target. I did buy this in every color, so if you like this shirt, please make sure to look at that video and how I paired them there. This one really is only a $5 shirt, and I got that in an extra large. So let's go ahead and we will try these on. Okay, you guys, look at how adorable this outfit is. I love these shorts. They are just the right length up top. They cover the midsection, and so does the t-shirt. And then they do come down, you know, below the booty, so they're very nice. And I think like Universal Thread is so underrated. I love the brand. Also, again, I always forget to mention this. I am 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, usually about a size 14. Large or extra large. I am 36 around here, and a large or extra large on top for reference. I apologize, I always forget to do that. That's just who I am, I guess. So I love how well these fit. I love this top. It's just a regular like t-shirt top. Again, only $5. What? Only $5. And like I said, these shorts are so cute. It's so summery and so like fresh. And I just love this look. So, all right, the next outfit. All right, I have like several shirts I want to try with these black shorts, so just bear with me. All right, the first thing I'm going to show you are the shorts. These are from the brand Wild Fable, and $12, you guys. $12. They're a jean short. They are very like thick jean stretch material. I love them. Like, what? These are in a size 14-32. So I want to pair this with, I have about 4 shirts to pair it with. But the first one that I want to share with you is this. It's a little bit longer cropped t-shirt, but it's got like this very cloud, like a very beautiful sky, clear sky day type of vibe for me. And I really loved it. And look at this. $8, you guys. $8. So first I'm going to pair it with this, and then I'll show you all the other shirts, okay? Okay. Alright, you guys, look at how cute this is. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the shorts. So the shorts are high-waisted. They do go above the belly button, which I like. It hides all of my stuff. And then they are very stretchy, and I love the way that they fit. So if you have watched any of my other hauls, the problem I have with shorts is that my hips they must be smaller and my waist is bigger, because I always have like this extra flap here and it always hangs out really funny. So I struggle with shorts, which is why I thought that, sorry, thought one of the kids was coming down. Okay. So that's why I started doing these hauls, because I struggle with finding shorts, and I thought that we could do this together. So anyway, let's focus on these shorts. Oh my gosh, I love them. They are so comfortable. They are so stretchy. They feel, other than the button up here, they feel like the legging bike shorts, which I love. And they have pockets. So anyway, here is the t-shirt. It's so super cute and flowy. I like that it's a little bit longer crop top, but it's still a crop top. Now I think that it looks like, how I would wear this is I would wear a side braid. I would braid this on the side, wear that. You can totally like tie it, do the tie thing here, would be very cute, but I actually like it just loose. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Take a closer look. Like, look how pretty those colors are. They're just like so light but vibrant still, and it's just perfect for summer. You can wear this with bike shorts, with leggings, with jeans and jean shorts. So obviously, you know, it's a t-shirt, it's very universal. Okay, so the next shirt that I want to share with you guys is this really nice, like, what is it? It's sort of a spandex material, and isn't the color just everything? It's a chocolate brown, and it's like, it has that sleekness to it, and it's very stretchy. This was only $8, you guys, from A New Day. And I thought that this would look really cute. This actually would look really cute with a pair of leggings. But I thought I'll try them with the black shorts. So let's do that. You guys, look at how cute this shirt is. Oh my gosh. I am so in love with it. It is so just like smooth and sleek. It is a longer style, but I sort of like that. It's so cute with these jeans. Like, I love I love the way that it looks. I'm not sure about this part. Well, I guess you just suck it in. Okay, but I love this. Just look at the material of this. It is, oh, I think the tag was right there or something. Oh, I have it on backwards. All right, you guys, look at how cute and adorable this t-shirt is. It is just so sleek and smooth, and it's just really cute with these shorts, because the shorts, like, I really like the fit of this, how the shirt is long and the shorts are a little shorter. I love this color. Look at this. It's so beautiful, and it's just so sleek and soft. And yeah, it's like everything. I love this shirt. And I mean, I also got this shirt in like a neon yellow color. So yeah, make sure you check out my last Target haul. The next shirt is similar. It is also another brown, like chocolatey color. This one has a higher neck and it's more of a t-shirt material, whereas this is like more of a nylon or spandex. This one is from A New Day also, and it is only $8. I got this in a size, what is this? Oh, this is in a size small. And I think that their sizes must run bigger, which is why I got that. So let me go ahead and try this one on. Okay, so this one sort of has the same vibes. It's a little bit tighter of a fit. I do like it. It kind of does do the same thing. I don't know that I'll actually keep this one. I really like the other one, but I couldn't pass up sharing a good shirt with you guys. I still love the color and the fit. I love the neckline here. It's different than the other one. It is very nice. You can very much go with bike shorts as well, and that's what I love about this. Like, I'm just digging all of these colors, you guys. Like, I'm in love with I don't know how many colors. So anyway, one more shirt to pair with these, and it is this beautiful blue color. It's similar to the last t-shirt that I showed you guys. This also ran really big. I had to go exchange this a couple of times because they weren't fitting. This is an extra small, and it's in the Universal Thread brand for $8. But I thought it would be really cute with these shorts, so let's try that on. Okay, you guys, here is that really nice blue shirt. I love that it's crop top and it's flowy. You can totally do that tie thing on the side. This one I probably would also wear with a side braid. It would look so cute and just so summery fresh. I love the material. I'm not sure if you can see it. It has like these little, like, it's definitely a t-shirt material, but it also has like those little almost like the like a heather blue t-shirt. You know how they have that little like stitching in it? I don't know how to explain it, but it's very pretty. I love it. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. Yeah, this looks so good together, you guys. I am just in love with my Target haul. I think out of all my hauls, I have to say Target has been the best with sizing, or not with sizing, but with fit and with price. Like, wow. Alright, so the last outfit that I have for you guys are these Universal jeans. Universal Thread, and these are a high-rise midi short. And these were $17.99, but I really liked these. And again, I just love the brand. They're definitely the stretchy jeans, and they look like they're gonna fit around the hip area where you don't have the extra flap that I talk about. And then for our last like cheap shirt, this was only $5, and this was from A New Day, size medium, and I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's just a ribbed tank top that I think will pair together, so yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the last outfit that I have. Here are those jeans. Boy, they are just so comfortable. Look at that. I still have some stretch. They're not too tight. I hate restriction. Like, I will not wear a pair of jeans if they are tight. Fun fact, when I was a little girl, supposedly, I don't remember this, but supposedly I would cry because my clothes were too tight, and so I was always mismatched, and I didn't, you know, supposedly it was a mess. I was a hot mess as a child. So I'm still like that till this day. If they are uncomfortable, like, I will be a grump, I will be grouchy, I will not be fun to be around. So I like loose fitting clothes that can still accentuate your curves or whatever, and that's exactly what all of this is. So anyway, that was just like a fun little fact, side note. But this is super nice, refreshing, and cool. I love the way that this ribbed t-shirt fits. For being a size medium, there's still some give, and it does still like go to the curves of your body. It's just a really pretty color. Another one of my favorite colors, and I love how it paired with these jeans. I love the bottoms. I wasn't sure because I did try on some shorts in previous hauls for you guys, and I just did not like them. They just did not look good to me. But these ones are a win. Like, I'm telling you, my Target haul was just so amazing and so affordable. For me, it beat out Walmart and it beat out Shein. Those are my other favorite places to shop because they're affordable as well. So really quick also, you guys, I wanted to show you the other crop tops because I told you that I did buy them in other colors. I did not try them on in this haul. I tried them on in my previous Target haul. So check that out. Here is the blue one. It's the same material and all of that. Always dropping stuff. Again, they are only $5, and then here is the black one. The black one would have definitely looked good with the purple tie-dye shorts as well, so just keep that in mind. And then again, just $5. So yeah, please make sure that you run to Target and pick up some of these great deals. They sell out fairly quickly, but also check online, and I'll link everything that I find down below. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if you are enjoying these hauls. Again, if you are new, I would love for you to say hello below so I can welcome you to my channel. And if you are a continued supporter, believe me, I truly appreciate it, and I try to share that with you guys. I did recently just send a friend of mine out for supporting me since day one. I do not know her other than on YouTube. We support each other. Her name is Bling Girl. She is just an amazing person, has a great personality, also does this type of clothing hauls and fun vlogs. So go and check her out. I did send her an extra makeup palette that I had received from one of our unboxings, and she was super excited about it. So if you do support me, please know that I am definitely grateful for it. I do, you know, talk about it with my family, like, oh my gosh, you know, I'm so excited. Like, I just enjoy doing all of this stuff. I'm already doing it, so I thought, why not record it and share it for short, chubby people, or people that have the same issues that I do. That's what I'm here for. So thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in our next haul. Bye.